Getting later in October here, and man, is it nice. We're talking mid-60s, supposed to go up into almost the mid-70s for the next few days, might even touch 80. Can't beat it. I didn't come here to talk about the weather today. We've already covered that part. Having some apprehension about uploading a project that kind of been working on somewhat in my head, and actually getting some of the recording done in the past week or so. I don't want to give too much away, but it's basically it's kind of like an idea for like a short film kind of thing. Probably only a couple of minutes long, a little bit of voiceover, some camera work, just trying to step outside the box when it comes to making some YouTube video content here. And you can see I'm actually doing 2 cameras today, which is I haven't done that in a while. But I get to thinking that is it an original idea that I have here, or is it something that I'm just unconsciously, subconsciously remembering from having seen a video, because I've watched so many videos. And I sometimes feel like, I don't know, maybe it's kind of like an imposter's syndrome or something like that, where I just kind of feel like I don't know, like, has this been done before? Has somebody else done it? And part of me is saying, finish the edit, upload it. If somebody gives you crap about it, saying, oh yeah, so-and-so Joe Blow, douchebag biker, did this one already. And then just deal with the trolls then. Or keep it for myself. I'm thinking I need to load this thing up. I need to finish up the edit. I need to get it on the YouTubes and let all you guys be the judge. And I wonder if does anybody else get this kind of feeling, or is it just I'm gonna put this out there, and if somebody who is maybe riding and wearing tank tops or something like that, decides that, hey, you copied my content, I don't know. Screw it. You've all convinced me. I haven't said a word to you. You haven't said a word to me. Wait, I have said words to you. You guys haven't said anything. But anyway, yeah, I gotta finish this thing up. Finish up the edit. And just put it out there. Let the chips fall where they may. But it's not a video about poker, so there won't be any chips. I am what you call a moron. Alright guys, really, that was just a quick one, just my thoughts on, feeling like at one point you think you have, I mean, you know what, let me give you an example, if you guys are still watching here. I did a video, it was back in like March, I think. I recorded it, and it's basically talking about the stages of motorcycle ownership. Holy moly, dude, you're gonna go like 10 miles an hour? Woo! Yeah, right. Yeah, not this guy with the little rascal scooter here. Anyway, I was talking about the stages of motorcycle ownership in this video. How, you know, when you're looking for a bike, that's kind of like the dating stage, and you know, you finally take the plunge, you buy the bike, so now you're kind of in the I don't know, what would we call it, honeymoon stage. And then newlyweds, and then, you know, you move on, and you decide you're gonna sell the bike, so that's the divorce stage. And I recorded this, and then I got to thinking, did somebody do this video already? And I don't know why it would even matter, because my channel's so damn small, not like anybody's gonna notice, except for, you know, one of my viewers going, oh yeah, Yummy Tube Stick did that. Something like that. You know, one of those, you know, big time, hey, I've got a team of writers and editors and everything like that kind of guys. But that was that. And you know what? It's happened before, obviously, with that video that I just talked about. Is this ever, you know, popped into your head like, holy crap, you know what, I just did this video and now I'm thinking that I borrowed, or it's very similar to somebody else's video. Yeah, you got that Chainsaw Massacre going on here. It's kind of crazy. Well, I think I'm gonna, you know what, I'm gonna throw caution to the wind. Like I said, let the chips fall where they may. I'm gonna edit that thing up and get it uploaded here in the next couple of weeks. And hopefully you guys will watch it. Maybe this has piqued your interest for, you know, an upcoming video possibility. But until next time, guys, we're gonna get out of here, continue on riding around on this beautiful day, and we'll see you on the next one. Later.